What is up, guys? Worrell Thomas here, your local realtor servicing the North Metro area in Atlanta. Put this page together to help anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate within the next month to a year make that decision so they can make their next move their best move. So today we're in Smyrna, Georgia, checking out this beauty. It is a new construction home. So there's actually going to be 6 of these homes built right here on this street. And the collection of home is called the Grove at King Springs. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house. 5.5 bathrooms, I believe. Definitely don't want to get that wrong. One thing I really like about this house is that each bedroom have its own bathroom. As you can see, it's not in a neighborhood. It is off of a street, but it is a pretty quiet street as well. And a lot of other newer homes that are in the area. So this is actually in a great location right down the street from the Battery, which is a huge attraction here in Atlanta. It is where the Braves play as well, and a lot of other things nearby. Plenty of food, plenty of shopping, pretty close to 285, 75, everything that you would need. So as we walk in through the front door, as you can see, your steps are right there to the left with those nice metal hand railings. To the right, you have this large accent wall. That'll be great for family photos and the whole 9 yards. To the left, you do have a basement going down there, and as well as a bathroom, your half bathroom for the main floor. We'll take a look at both of those as well. So as you walk in past the foyer area, you can see that we have a large open concept floor plan on the main floor. To the left is your living room area. And again, this is a new construction home, so it's not like the traditional homes where you see like a formal living room and then your sitting room. They're using the space to make it a little bit more functional. So now you have this large open area. So here's a closer look at the fireplace and the mantle. So got the nice wood on there, the tile background, and then your fireplace. You do have a little spot where you can put some built-in shelves as well, or you can leave them open like they have. So here's a second look, looking into the kitchen from the living room. Really like how it's just wide open, great for family gatherings or having friends over, great entertainment space. So we'll just check out the kitchen a little bit more, get a little bit closer, and then just check out these quartz countertops. Very nice touch for the house, very elegant touch, especially for the price point. Didn't mention before, but this house is just over $1 million at $1.1 million for sale. Here's a closer look at the tile backsplash going all throughout the kitchen. You also have all upgraded appliances as well. There's the microwave that's built into that large island. Plenty of storage space as well. See how big this drawer is. And of course, it is a soft close as expected at a house at this price point. Again, with the upgraded appliances. So that range is actually a 36-inch gas range. So could never go wrong with that. All your cooking needs in one space. So we'll just zoom out a little bit and just take a look at the open area from the kitchen as well. So here's your dining space. Have these large sliding doors that leads out to this massive deck in the back, letting in a lot of sunlight. These doors are pretty tall as well, make the just the area feel a lot bigger than what it is. So this house is actually over 4,000 square feet, coming in at 4,541 square feet. Really do like this area. There's your pantry in the front, but to the left, they've built in an office, little office area, pretty petite. Got everything that you would need, desk, storage space. You got a couple cabinets up top as well. This office is off in the cut, so if you have family over, you're not in the middle of everything being disturbed as well. So outside of the office, you do have your pantry. So it's not a walk-in pantry, but have a good bit of space to pretty much accompany everything you would need. It is pretty tall as well. And then outside of the pantry, you have your mud room. Very nicely put together. So you can see you have your coat rack, you have your little bench area there. Got a good bit of storage in here as well. Got a utility closet to the left. And then this door in front of us is the garage. So it is a 2-car garage. Just enough space for 2 cars and a little bit of storage as well. So we'll just step in. It is a step down to get into it. But yeah, here's the space. Just checking it out, and that looks like, yep, that is an electric car charger right there. It looks like a NEMA 1450 outlet. So if you have an electric car, if it's a Tesla, you could just plug in. Other electric cars, you can buy the charging stations that you can plug in. We're seeing that in a lot of the newer houses now, with electric cars being so popular that they're already running the wiring for them. So that is a very nice touch. So we'll just walk through the main level and get one more look as well as we head to the upstairs area where we're going to find all of the bedrooms. There's your half bathroom again. So you have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms upstairs. Before we get upstairs, really love these wood floors, wide plank wood floors. Definitely a nice touch for this house. Even the color of them just really matches everything. Agreeable gray. It looks like agreeable gray walls all throughout. Quite popular nowadays, more of a modern look, and you still make the place feel pretty big and airy as well. So we come upstairs, and those metal handrails are pretty much a theme. So you have this little nook area, or loft area, if you will, which we're seeing in a lot of the newer homes as well. I can give you a second look at it as if you're going towards down the steps. So a lot of windows letting in a lot of light. Just a cool place to hang out and just, you know, catch your breath. You can sit down and you can talk as well. So here's one of the bedrooms, and I would consider this the guest bedroom. It's a little bit off of the other bedrooms as well. So I would think the other two would be, say, you know, maybe for the kids and all that. But this one kind of have its kind of like a secluded apartment feel to it. It's away from the other bedrooms. The bathroom also has different tiling than the other bathrooms as well. You'll see the other 3 have a theme, and then this one's a little bit different. So that's what made me think this one is kind of that guest bedroom for sure. So here's another look as well, and then we'll head out to the other bedrooms. One thing I like about this upstairs area is this kind of long hallway, but before we see it, we do have a closet here, and it's just quality shelving. Look at that. But yeah, I do like this hallway. It feels pretty wide. It makes upstairs feel a lot bigger than what it seemed to be. So we'll go into this second bedroom here. And again, you got the wood floor, so no carpet in this house. You got the quality wood floors going all throughout. And then here is that bathroom for the second bedroom. Again, every bedroom have their own bathroom, which is a great touch and something we definitely like to see, especially with houses at this price point. And again, this house is just over $1 million at 1.1 million for sale. So a closer look at the tub shower combination. And if you look out the window, so you can see the spot for the 2 other lots before you get to this one. They haven't built yet. So this is the first one that's completely ready to go. And we'll just take a quick look at the closet, just get an idea of what the closet looks like in this bedroom. So pretty straightforward. Now we have one more bedroom to take a look at before we get to the owner suite. Really like this crown molding as well. And then you have recessed lighting all throughout, which makes for a very clean look. And these ceilings, the video's not doing much justice, but even on the second level, the ceilings are pretty high. So again, this bedroom, you can see where they're doing the building on either side of the property there. We get a nice look at the backyard. Again, standing in the corner here, so you just get an idea of the size of the room. And again, has its own bathroom. As you can see, the tile on the main floor in the bathroom matches the bathroom we just left out of. This one does not have the tub shower combo. It's just a shower, which I personally like a little bit better. And then now into the owner suite. So here we are. As you can see, we do have vaulted ceilings in here. Not the biggest owner suite in the world, but again, with the vaulted ceilings and the large windows, that make it feel a lot bigger than what it really is. You have the accent wall that's matching downstairs as well, so that's a very nice touch. You do get the view into the backyard. One good thing about this owner suite, you got his and her closets, and both of them have built-ins. So I don't know if this is his or hers, but here's one closet. I'll go ahead and say this is his because I do believe the second closet is slightly bigger than this one, and we'll just head out here and check it out in a little bit. Again, a lot of quality touches. You got the barn door going into the bathroom, and the bathroom is beautiful. We'll check it out here in a second, but nicely laid out. And definitely feels well worth it. So here's that second closet with the built-in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call it hers, just because it's just a little bit bigger. And we all know how it goes when it comes to having to choose a closet between man and wife. Typically the wife gets to say so, which leads to them having the bigger closet. So enough of the closet. We're gonna head into this bathroom. Again, just wanted to show you the barn door. That's a nice little touch in there. That feels pretty solid, well put together. So check out the floors. Check out the sink. You do get the double vanities, and then you do have the a bunch of storage in here. Cannot run out of storage. Large stand-in shower as well. Plenty of space. Very elegant. Check out this tub. Very nicely placed. Cannot go wrong with that. You do have tile outside of the shower on the walls as well. Very elegant touch. And you got your water closet. And just one more look at the bathroom. I really do like that they have the black finishes there. Just really matches everything throughout the house. So you'll see all the door handles and door hinges have black handles as well. So the laundry room is actually connected to the bathroom, and then that door there leads back out to the hallway. But it's pretty cool. You do get a sink in here. I know a lot of people want a sink in their laundry room. So it pretty much has everything that you would want outside of the house. And that pretty much wraps up the upstairs area. Again, I really love it. Just get a second look at that, that loft area. And then we'll head downstairs and we're gonna check out that massive basement. Okay, we're headed down to the basement. As you can see, they continued with the theme of the wood floor, the wide plank wood floor. And you'll see that all throughout here. So the basement is a pretty interesting setup. You don't have any bedrooms down here. It is set up strictly for entertainment. And you'll see you have a couple of storage closets as well. So you have one here, and then I believe this one goes in pretty deep and makes a turn. So yes, so you do have a lot of storage. Does have a light in this one, and then here you are with that turn, and just plenty of storage space. You cannot run out at all. So you have your final bathroom. It is a full bathroom again down here. Tile floors all throughout. Standing shower. Very nice touch. Very, very nice touch. And now for the main event. So this is a large room. And I guess, you know, if you're at the point where this wasn't fully built out yet, you could make a bedroom down here. You do have that window over to the left, so you could make a bedroom, add a closet. But yes, very large area. You could definitely make it into a theater and have a pool table if you'd like. Here's a nice kind of bar area with a wine cooler, and you do have a sink. Very nice backsplash on the wall too. You're starting to see that come back. I know back in the day, not backsplash, but wallpaper. Wallpaper was pretty popular back in the day, and now we're starting to see it as a nice little touch in a lot of newer homes there. So they did a pretty good job with that one. And then this walks out to the basement. Well, not the basement, but this walks out to the backyard. So you do have a covered area because you do have the deck right above you. This backyard is amazing. It's very flat and long. So you have a lot of options, a lot of functionality with this one. If you wanted to add a pool, which of course you would have to check to make sure that you can add a pool, but this would be a nice flat terrace to add a pool, maybe a pool house or an ADU unit as well. So just imagine the kids and the dog just running around here while you're, entertaining guests upstairs. Just a very nice space for family and entertainment. So one last thing I want to show you, I do want to get up on this deck and just show you what the backyard looked like from the deck. I really do like the decking that they use for it. Very nice touch. And again, great entertainment space. So if you are entertaining for family, this is definitely the place to do it. So let's make our way upstairs and check it out. But before we do, just kind of want to give you one last look at the basement just to see how massive this area is. And you can get an idea of some of the things that you can do with this space as well. And guys, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help with the algorithm, allowing more and more people to see these videos. The more people that see these videos, the more people I'm able to help with home ownership here in Atlanta. If you have any friends or family that you want to move into the area, again, this is in Smyrna. I do represent the North Metro Atlanta area. So please send this over to them, subscribe to the channel so that we can make your next move your best move. All right, let's check this deck space out. I do like how high up it is. It makes you feel like pretty isolated as well. There is not a way to walk downstairs from this deck, so the only way to get to the backyard is going through the basement as of right now. But nice metal hand railings. Very minimalistic look. And it just feels like quality as well. So this is what the back of the house looked like. I know we saw it from downstairs, but you can see it from here. Check out the wood that they have under that overhang. So that's the thing about this house. It does have a lot of nice quality touches all throughout. So that's pretty much it for this property. So if you know anybody that's looking, or if you're looking for yourself, we'd definitely love to open it up for you so you can check it out. The builder is offering some incentives right now, which makes it, pretty appetizing to get this house. So let's get together and make your next move your best move.